Hello, StarSeeds. Welcome to StarSeed Living. My name is Lorraine. I'm coming to you from my garden as recommended by one of my viewers. And I have to say, I haven't wanted to leave the garden. I wake up every day and I'm called to just go out and be in the garden. And that makes it challenging to do anything else. But I have learned, particularly over this last year, that allowing what comes to me as what I need to be doing or being and allowing it to unfold really is the best way to live our lives. In fact, we've been being told by spiritual masters for millennia that the only place we have and can affect is right here, right now. And I have learned to move into that space of beingness, to truly allow life to unfold in ways that I never allowed myself to relax into before. And I find that very sad when I think back on it, that we have been so manipulated and brainwashed to believe that doing, producing for the external reality, for the image, for anything external, to allow it to dictate how and what we do be in every moment. I spent my life worrying, not because I really cared what other people thought, but I was controlled by the program. And those programs go deep. And I know as we move forward into the golden age that we are going to have to do a lot of work to break the mind control so that we never, ever repeat what is happening and what has happened. We are truly moving into the golden age. And as we rise in frequency, as we move higher in our divine plan, we are shifting and growing, but we have to leave behind that which no longer serves us as an individual and as a collective. We need to move beyond the lack and limitation, the fear programming, and spend some time out in nature, just loving who you are and this beautiful world that we've been given. So let me show you around my garden. I'm going to try to do this little, video filming on the phone thing is not really all that easy. I can't flip it around. So I'm going to have to turn it. I'm sitting in the middle of my pyramid, which is in process. It's 10 and a half feet tall, and gosh, about 4 feet, maybe a little more, 4.5 feet square at the base. So it is a pyramid built on the divine dimensions of pi. And it is a 73, approximately, degree angle. So I'm just going to swing it around. I have a circular garden. So here you go. I live in a very beautiful place, and I feel very, very grateful. So I hope you enjoyed that. The comfrey is the purple flowers that you see, and it is in bloom and just growing wild. I'm going to need to move it. It's I have a circular garden bed, and it is my perennial and medicinal herb garden. My intent as time goes forward with this space is that this be a healing garden where people can come and stay and commune with nature as they reconnect with their spirit and their heart and their beingness. So if you're in the Blue Ridge Mountains, or you want to plan a trip here, know that there's a space where you can come commune with crystals, with nature, hang out in a pyramid, heal yourself, and learn tools and techniques that will help you do that. So I guess I'll sign off for now from my beautiful garden. Many blessings. Know that you are loved, and that right now you are doing and being exactly as you need to. I encourage you to get your feet on the land, to talk to some trees, and remember, you are not of the world. You are merely a player in it. Until next time.